First of all, the professor has to register his exam on our portal and choose a deadline and upload his question paper. And the paper will be encrypted and stored on the IPFS blockchain. After which he will receive his link to the encrypted question paper and also the password of that file. The professor will send the link to the students and the student can download the encrypted question paper in 10 to 15 days before the exam so that they have no connectivity issues. Now, 5 minutes before the exam, the professor will SMS password of the AES encrypted file to students so that the mobile app can unlock the paper and the students can begin with the exam. Ashutosh?
Okay, now 5 minutes before the exam, the students receive the password for AES encrypted file. The students can use this key to decrypt the question papers that they downloaded earlier. First, choose the file, enter the password which I already copied to clipboard and decrypt. Now, the file has been decrypted. The student now start attempt now. For answer sheet submission, the students will submit their PDF to the app where a SHA-256 hash of the file will be generated and an SMS to our Twilio phone number will be sent which will store the hash on blockchain. I select the file and enter the subject ID, generate. I get a hash. This hash is sent to the Twilio phone number. Now, the process will repeat for the rest of the exams. When the student now, when all the exams have ended, the students will upload his answer sheets collectively using the mobile app. And upload. Now the file was uploaded and we have received an IPFS link to the uploaded file. This link will be used by the professors later for evaluating the answer sheets.
Now the professor will have to fetch the answer sheets using the link given by student and enter his student ID. In this case is the student's public key on Ethereum. Now the SHA-256 hashes of currently submitted file and the previously hash stored on the blockchain will be compared to check that the student has not tampered with the file after the deadline of exam. Hence, the proof of existence of blockchain is being leveraged here as the SMS sent hash is stored immutably on Ethereum. Thus, by just using Ethereum and SMS, we have built an offline app for conducting exams. Aman, you can show the file of the downloaded student. Yeah, here it is. That's it from our side.